Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on gold, like I've been saying every single day for about 3 weeks straight, honestly, and the only thing I would be recommending is trying to go short on every single pullback you see. Now, very sideways day on gold. You can tell there's a lot of indecision in the market right here. I still think the biggest support or resistance area on the daily time frame is around $4,300. So I'm definitely still very bullish. Whether or not this is like an A and this is a B and it goes down and makes a bigger pullback before it actually goes up or not is the question. Honestly, for me personally, even if it does go down, I wouldn't take the short. I would be more concerned about trying to go long at the end of any pullback I see because we are definitely still in at least a third degree wave 3 on the higher time frames, which is why this is such a strong trend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.